Hey guys, it's Maria LoBalsamo, and today I wanted to talk to you about a daily action plan for social media. Oftentimes, what's happening is people are, becoming a part of an affiliate offer that they have, but they oftentimes get stuck, especially as a newer marketer, on how to get their offer in front of others to see, to get eyeballs on their offer essentially, because now they have this product, right? And they have this link and they're like, okay, now what do I do? I know that there's free traffic and I know that there's paid traffic, but I don't have money to do paid traffic. So what do I do now? And so they end up finding themselves, and I know that this was true for me, spinning my wheels, for hours and hours a day and getting absolutely no results and wondering what was going on and what was I supposed to be doing differently so that I could have some success. So this action plan is basically the same action plan that every successful marketer is using, and is pretty standard. And today I wanted to share it with you because I want to help you fast track your success. So when you get your affiliate offer that you are, wanting to share with others, you have a system of what to do every day that you can stick to get results. Okay. So let's go through it and take a look at it. So here are the steps, my friends. Okay, so here's the daily action plan. So engage for 1 hour on your friend's content. There are some people that do a little more, there are some people that do a little less, but at least maybe in the very beginning, as you progress, this can very well change. But in the beginning, you want to engage on all your friends' content. You want to love them and you want to comment on them. You want to do both things, okay? For at least an hour. Now, as you progress and you become a more seasoned marketer and things change for you and your audience is really, built now and you have a great targeted audience and things like that, you can adjust this and pull it back a little bit. But we're going to come from a point of more of a newer marketer's standpoint with this daily action plan. So in the beginning, I did this for at least an hour, but now that I've been doing it a while, I pull it back and sometimes, I skip a day or two here and there. But again, for a newer person, you want to engage on your friend's post for at least 1 hour. Now make sure you're loving and commenting. And then after you do that, you want to put up a valuable post. And the best way there is to have your post already created and ready to go. Okay, so make sure you have it planned out, it's already done, and all you're going to do is copy and paste it and put it up on your social media platform. So, and by a valuable post, I mean it should, follow the formula of RVL. RVL is kind of like, well, R is results, right? So if you have success with your affiliate offer, you would want to share that, for example. Or if you don't yet have your own results that you can share results of somebody from your team. V is value, offer value, a piece of education or maybe a piece of content that's entertaining even, or something that's really, really inspiring. And then the L is for lifestyle. You want people to know you, and this is about building relationships and building that know, like, and trust factor. So you want to throw in your lifestyle too, so that you give people a sense of insight to your world, so that they know who you really are. Okay, and so from there, then we're going to add 25 friends from relevant groups and pages, and by that I mean people that are within your niche. So for me, for example, I want to help the newer marketer, right? So I'm going to go into certain groups on Facebook in particular and pages of where I know my target audience hangs out. And then I'm going to go through there and I'm going to, message some people, say hello, and just introduce myself and then add friends. And some of those groups could be like ClickFunnels, for example, or Eric Worre's GoPro network marketing groups like that, okay, or even like mindset groups, things like that. Anywhere where you know your target market hangs out, okay. And then after you add those 25 friends, what you need to do is delete 25. So you want to delete the people that aren't really engaging on your post, or you go to their wall and you're looking through their stuff and their material isn't really anything of any real value to you, that fits for you. So you just kind of have to make that personal decision on what friends you want to delete so that you can make room for those new friends you're adding every day. And this is something you want to do every day, because you want to just keep recycling that, because you want to keep getting rid of people that are not interested in what you're doing, or aren't engaging or loving your post or commenting. They're not engaged. And then you want to bring on people that may be engaging and commenting and things like that, because those people that are engaging and commenting on your post, those are people that you really want to reach out to in Messenger or privately, and just really introduce yourself and say hi and talk to them and have them tell you a little bit about themselves. Okay, so and then after you add 25, delete 25, then you're going to message your new friends. And when I say message your new friends, I mean just say hello. Just introduce yourself and say hi. And, in that conversation, maybe you could just ask them to tell you a little bit about what they do. And they would probably ask you, well, hey, what do you do? And then you just kind of go from there and go, kind of back and forth. That's typically how the conversation goes. But it's really just about introducing yourself and building that know, like, and trust factor. That's the goal, okay? And after that, I touched on this a minute ago, message people who are engaging on my content and get them into communication. So again, when you make a value post, right? About a valuable post, and you create content and you put that up on your wall and you're getting these loves and you're getting these great comments, those people are engaging with you. Those are the people that I'm talking about that you want to get into communication with. So you want to message them, right? And you can even start that communication by going, hey, Maria, I saw that you showed some love on my post. I just really wanted to thank you for your support. You could even do that to just open up the conversation. I mean, because really, it was nice that they did that. And so you want to thank them. And then you can just take the conversation from there. Just go with that, whatever feels right. I mean, at some point, when you feel it's appropriate or it's the right time, then you can start moving the business from the conversation from casual to more of, business side of it, so to speak, to where you can determine through a series of questions that you might talk to them about and ask them about what a pain point is or a problem that they have, and perhaps you may have a solution with your product to solve it for them, right? You have that solution. So that's a whole nother video right there, but it's just a brief overview of talking privately, one-on-one with somebody in a messenger or in a chat situation about just a general conversation. And then for myself, for example, as you know, I like YouTube, so I make videos. And, so if that fits for you, you can make videos and you can also put your content out there on YouTube if you like video and you're comfortable, just like I'm doing right now. But if you're not a video person, that's okay. Maybe you like to blog, or maybe you can just talk and you don't want to write and you don't want video. Well, then do a podcast. I mean, these are all ways of generating free organic traffic, and then you can take that podcast and you can upload it to Facebook. I mean, there's so many things you can do. There's Instagram, Twitter, and all those platforms, LinkedIn. There's a lot that you can do, but people get stuck because they don't have a daily action plan. So I wanted to give it to you, and this is the one that you need to follow, okay? So, and then stick to it every day. okay? And then you will see success. And then, for example, I make the YouTube videos, and as I'm, doing my business and I'm building contacts and I'm capturing um, my contacts information, their name and their email, and I'm creating these YouTube videos, then what do? Is I take the new video and then I send my contacts on my email, I send them the new video to check out. And I say, hey, check this out. Check out the daily action plan that you can follow that's really going to help you achieve success in your business. So that's pretty much it, guys. Okay. So if you're new, you definitely want to follow these steps to a T, okay? And if you are more seasoned, obviously, you could back off a little bit as long as your engagement is staying where it needs to be. And this is something that anybody can do on their profile every day. And again, if this looks familiar, it's because it is. It's because it is the plan, the daily action plan that marketers use to make money online and be successful. So guys, if you have any questions, you can email me. My email is below. You can message me on Facebook, and you can just reach out. I would love to chat with you. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I would appreciate that as well. And hit the notification so that you get notified when I make new videos. I hope you found some value from this, and I hope it really does help you out. Okay, guys, have a great day.